The legal practice skills class at Penn Carey Law is for all 1Ls both fall and spring. And the purpose is really to connect the doctrine of law that they're learning in their other classes, such as torts, contracts, criminal law, with the practice of that law when representing a real client, one who's embroiled in the criminal justice system or engaged in a contract dispute, for example. And so our coursework is all built around a real legal issue, a real client, and all of the facts and the world context that arises when addressing a legal issue. Instead of just teaching a student what a contract is about, they read the contract, analyze it, mark it up, explain it to a client, and negotiate it with a counterpart. And so the idea is not just the theory of the law, but how it actually works.
All it is, and I promise you, it feels very different than this, but all it is just answering some questions. And that's how you should think about it.
At its very core, what I'm hoping that they take out of this class is an ability to practice law. And that begins in their first summer. So they're going to be thrown in. As soon as they start working this summer, they will be thrown in as if they are lawyers. And so we are preparing them throughout the year to face that challenge, such that when they begin their first day of work and the supervisor goes to them and says, here's the client's problem, go do the research and come back and tell me what the answer is, they know how to do the research and to conduct the analysis, and then also to communicate that analysis both in writing and orally back to the supervisor.
So I remember as a 1L, the first time I really felt like I was becoming a lawyer was when we got to argue a case in front of a panel of judges. And it was really the first time that I felt like I could do this and I was good at something. Judges will fire questions at you and you have to just be quick on your feet and able to answer them. And I found that I really thrived in that environment. And I'm just so grateful that LPS provides that opportunity to students, because I would have never known to try oral argument later on in law school if I hadn't had the chance to try as a 1L.
The best part of teaching in the legal practice skills program is the Penn Carey Law students. They're smart, they're engaged, they're kind to me, to each other, and they're just really excited to engage in the practice of law. And so the way we do that is really so one-on-one and individual. We know these students so well. And the best part of it is that relationship doesn't end when they leave our classroom, but it is really a career-long mentorship and professional relationship that's really sustained. And I think that's really unique and special.